Bharat Mata Mandir, translating to Mother India Temple, is a unique and iconic temple located in Haridwar. Unlike traditional temples dedicated to Hindu deities, this temple is a tribute to Mother India and the spirit of Indian nationalism, unity, and culture. Bharat Mata Mandir is an 8-storey structure, each floor dedicated to a specific theme that reflects India's civilizational values and achievements. First floor, Bharat Mata, houses a large map of India in marble, symbolizing the country as a divine mother. Floor 5 to 8 are assembly hall and various temples dedicated to Shakti, Vishnu and Shiva. It provides a glimpse into India's historical and cultural journey and serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made for the country's independence and integrity. The temple was inaugurated by Indira Gandhi in 1983 and was conceived by the renowned freedom fighter Swami Satyamitranand Giri. His vision was to create a place that celebrates the culture and spiritual unity of India, honoring not just gods and goddesses but also the heroes of India's freedom struggle, saints, philosophers, and national figures. Second floor, Shur Mandir, dedicated to Indian freedom fighters and patriots like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and Lakshmi Bai. Bharat Mata Mandir is not only a place of worship but also an educational and inspirational site. Third floor, Matru Mandir, honors revered women in Indian history including Mirabai, Savitri and Draupadi. Fourth floor, Sant Mandir, contains statues of saints and spiritual leaders from different regions and religions of India like Kabir, Guru Nanak and Gautam Buddha. It stands as a symbol of India's rich heritage and diverse traditions.